Today we're going to show you an easy way to upgrade the fog lights in your Wrangler JL or Gladiator JT. And we're going to do that by swapping in a set of Nacho Quatro 4-inch off-road lights. Except these aren't quite the normal off-road lights. These are their SAE compliant fog lights / off-road lights. And we're going to be installing it using the Nacho plug-and-play SAE fog light kit. And this kit has everything you need. It has 2 Nacho Quatro lights in it. It has the 2 brackets, and they do have 2 different kits. Whether you have the steel bumper or a plastic bumper, it includes the wiring harness to plug into your aux switches and all the hardware that's needed. So let's go ahead and get this light prepped and into those brackets. The Quatro light comes with a plastic housing on it. We want to remove it. 4 little screws on the back side, and we're going to use a 7/64 hex key to remove them. Then you want to grab a flat blade screwdriver, and you're going to go right underneath these little tabs here. Lift them up. And what looked to be easy, well, doesn't come out that way. So I got a set of clippers here, and let's go ahead and just open this up. And one housing's down. And then we're gonna take these little tabs and we'll make sure those are installed on the light. So now we want to take our light and take our Nacho bracket. If you want to look at the back, we want to make sure we have this Nacho emblem and the main part of the bracket up above, and then the Nacho logo in the correct direction. Then we take the smaller of the 2 bolts with the split washer and the flat washer, and that's going to go right in through the side. And we're using a metric 11 socket to screw these in. All right, and these are ready to go into the Jeep. Now on our 3-piece bumper, we've already moved the bumperettes coming out the sides, so we've got good access to our fog lights. I'm just going to get back here, squeeze the tab, and let's unplug it. Then there's 2 screws, one down here and one up above. They take a 10 mil socket. Whoa, and hey, looks like our bracket is broken because the upper one just fell right out. Then we're gonna grab our blue glue stick, throw a little Loctite on both those factory bolts. And then in goes the new Nacho bracket and our screws. And then we're going to plug the smaller of the plugs right into the factory fog light harness. So now it's time for the harness. All right, here's the harness end from Nacho. We've got our ground. This is going to go to the ground stud here. Then our green and our blue wire, and those are going to go to our aux switches, and then this wire is going to go up into our power distribution center. And it's a little short to run everything, so let's go ahead and clip this and lengthen it. Now Nacho says plug into F57 or an available slot. Well, we've already got a fuse tap in F57. So we're going to jump over here to F47, which is a spare spot. And with so many fuse taps here, boy, we really need to maybe come up with a solution for that. Now we can run our ground to the chassis ground right here on the side. Now for those of you who haven't messed with your aux switches before, you've got 4 wires in this little harness, and it'll be tucked right down in alongside the battery. You've got 4 wires there. These 2 bigger ones are for 40 amp circuits. This is switch number 1, the brown with the pink stripe, and we've got our ARB compressor hooked to that. Then your green with pink stripe, that's switch number 2. Then your orange is switch number 3, and your blue with the pink stripe is switch number 4. Both these are 10 amp circuits and will be perfect for the Quatro light. Now if we look at our harness on our Quatro lights, you've got a green and a blue wire. Your green wire is for your trail running lights, and your blue wire is for the off-road lights. So we're going to go with our green wire on switch number 3 and the blue wire on switch number 4. Now you can use a butt connector to connect these up. Just because we make a lot of changes on the company truck, I like to use something that I can disconnect easy so I can either reroute this harness or even replace it with something else. So there you have the SAE compliant fog light upgrade kit from Nacho Lighting. And there's a few things we really like about this kit. One is it was quick and easy to do. Two, it uses those Nacho Quatro lights as its base. And those 4-inch Quatros are awesome. You get those 3 light patterns. You have that SAE compliant fog light. Just make sure you aim them properly. Then you have that full power off-road light. And that's another off-road light that you've added to your vehicle just by upgrading your fogs. Then you have that low power trail running light. And the third thing we like, it comes all in one box. You get 2 lights, you get the mounting brackets, and you get the wiring harness and hardware. Just make sure you order the correct kit, whether you have the plastic bumper with fog light provisions or whether you have the 3-piece steel bumper like what we have here. Now, if you have an aftermarket bumper, just make sure you order the right kit for the fog lights it takes. And that's it. Thanks for watching today. We'll see you again soon. It includes the wiring hardened. We're going to do that by installing a set of the Nacho Quatro. Trash right here. Let's get that out of the way. Still rolling?